Hey guys, in this video I'm explaining to you how you can verify your identity on Kalshi. And it's really easy and simple. So basically, what you need to do during the verification process after you've signed up and you have done your email verification and phone verification after your sign up, after it goes through the review, then they'll ask you to verify yourself. Okay, they'll ask you to send you a photo ID. Okay, which must align with the information that you submitted on your Kalshi profile. And you can also use a driver's license as well, or you can also use a passport along with a national ID. And you'll also have to submit your social security number. Everything has to match according to your photo ID. Otherwise you'll not be verified. Okay, they're gonna use a service called Verified to obtain your information, and this is the you know company that will go ahead and verify you. So if there's any issues with verification, you have to contact them directly. So I hope this video helped you out, guys. And if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you in the next one.